off the fan and unplug it from the power outlet to ensure safety. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screw securing the front grille ring. Gently pinch the front grille's airflow guide and rotate it counterclockwise to remove the front grille. Hold the fan blade securely with one hand. Twist the blade cap clockwise to loosen and remove it. Carefully slide the fan blade off the motor shaft. Use a screwdriver to remove the screw on the rear grille. Rotate the rear grille counterclockwise and remove it. Use a soft, damp cloth to wipe down the blades and grills. Follow with a dry, soft cloth to ensure everything is completely dry. For stubborn dirt, you may use a mild, non-abrasive dish detergent. Do not wash the fan head with water. It contains an ionizer. Avoid touching or damaging it. Never rinse the main unit directly with water, as it may cause short circuits or electrical failure. After wiping, let all parts air dry for 1 to 2 hours before reassembly. Align the clips on the rear grille with the fan body and rotate clockwise to lock it in place. Retighten the screws. Once the fan blade is completely dry, slide it back onto the shaft and secure it with the blade cap by turning it counterclockwise. Reattach the front grille by aligning its clips with the body and turning it clockwise. Tighten the front screw. Once fully assembled and dry, plug the fan back in and power it on.
Hello, Airdog. Turn on the fan.